Disability Law Center is a consumer-driven, nonprofit organization designated as the protection and advocacy agency for the state. Our mission is to enforce and advance the legal rights, choices, and opportunities of Utahns with disabilities. While we try to resolve concerns at the lowest level possible, we are the only agency that provides self-advocacy assistance, legal services, disability rights education, on-site monitoring and investigation of conditions in institutions and long-term care facilities, and systemic advocacy through the courts, the legislature, and public policy initiatives on behalf of the nearly 530,000 people, almost a quarter of all adults who have a disability in Utah. Our services are available statewide and free of charge. Over the past decade, we have helped more than 50,000 Utahns. Unfortunately, Utahns with disabilities face discrimination in education, housing, employment, and even just access to basic services. They are often segregated in institutions where they are sometimes subject to abuse and neglect, and children with disabilities are often isolated from their non-disabled peers, which perpetuates this cycle of stigma. Our advocacy is geared toward improving the lives of Utahns with disabilities. We create the systemic change we envision by empowering people through information, hands-on training, direct action, and ongoing support. Our work strives to create a just society where Utahns with disabilities are free from stigma, discrimination, and abuse. They have the authority to make their own decisions and the same rights and opportunities as those without disabilities. Their voices are heard, inspiring discussion and motivating change. They have equitable access to supports and resources needed to be as independent as possible and full participants in their communities. Please join us in our fight for an inclusive society.